How to add music in CapCut. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut. Make sure you are using the latest version of CapCut. Now select the video in which you want to add the music. Just open it. After you select the video, at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of audio. Now click on the option of sounds. Here you're gonna find different sound options. You can hit towards any of these. In the case you want to use the music from your device, click on this icon. In this page, you're gonna find the audio from your device, and from here you can select the audio. But for now, I'll be choosing the audio from this section, Spring. Here you will find tons of music options. Click on the music that you want to add. And here you can see that music has been set to this video. You can split the unnecessary part of the music and then you can delete it. And once you are done, you can export your video. This way you can easily add music to any of your video using CapCut. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.